Welcome to the Illuminator Getting Started series. This one's on the installation demo. So we'll go to the command line, and after we've installed Docker, started Docker, and downloaded the Illuminator's installation script. So here we are at the command line. We've got the Docker version. We've asked for Docker version. You can see that it's got Docker version 23.02, and it's got the Docker Compose on the command line. We've got a directory here with one file in it, and it's got write access and read access. So we'll go ahead and run the Illuminator, start up the release. You can see that the software gets installed and unpacked, and you can see that the Illuminator versions are installed and the Influx database is installed. And then it's prompting you for the parent directory where all of the configuration data, measurement data, debug log certificates will be on your host. So we'll just accept that directory. And then it's asking for the default web server port, and we'll accept that default. And then it gives you a summary of all the information. Again, one more last chime. So I'll say yes, and let's just proceed on. And then it's going to ask if we want to start it up, and we'll say yes again. And the containers are starting, and it's just waiting a few more seconds to get ready, and then it's going to prompt you to start up and launch the web browser to the actual Illuminator. So in a few more seconds that'll start, and it's going to give you that. So it'll say yes. And the UI starts out. And there it is. So now we've got the Illuminator already installed and ready to go. So the next one will be on startup and shutdown, and we'll look at that video. So thanks for joining us.